In this short video, you'll learn about search terms and search connectors and their role in searching library databases. Identifying search terms and using them with search connectors helps you have a more successful search experience. When you search in databases, it's not effective to approach them like you would a Google search. While Google tries to read your mind and suggest related ideas, trending searches, and even corrects your spelling, library databases function differently. Library databases typically only search for the exact words you type into the search bar. To get the best search results, identify important concepts from your research topics, especially nouns. Then, think about synonyms, related words, concepts, and terms. You will need to brainstorm search terms before you start searching in the library databases. Topics can be complex, and you will need more than one set of search terms to get the best results. For example, if you wanted to know how ADHD affects online learning for college students, the search terms would be ADHD, online learning, and college students. You might also add related concepts, like for ADHD, attention deficit/hyperactivity disorder, and learning disability. For online learning, e-learning, distance learning, and remote learning. For college students, university students, undergraduates, and young adults. You can use a thesaurus, Google, Wikipedia, and other background research to find the best search terms, including synonyms. You will also spot more search terms as your research progresses. Another useful technique is phrase searching, or using quotation marks when you have two or more words or a phrase that needs to be searched as one word. For example, online learning is 2 words. We do not want the search function to search for online and learning separately. You can add quotation marks around the words or phrase to search for it as one word, online learning. The last step is to put the keywords together with search connectors. Databases and search engines need a single word or a few words to function as search connectors in order to search effectively. Search connectors are also referred to as Boolean operators. They define the relationships between words or phrases to make your search results more specific. We're going to focus on the search connector AND. AND narrows searches and narrows your results. By using the connector AND, you will have fewer results to dig through. When you search for online learning and ADHD, those words would appear in each search result. Now let's take our search terms, quotations, and the word AND into the library database. ADHD and online learning and college students. And now that you have results, you can filter them at the top by source type or date range. Remember that searching is a process. You can always adjust your search terms as you go. If you're still not sure what search terms to use or how to enter them into the library databases, just ask a librarian. We're happy to help.